Hello, Keller Williams Prosperity. This is Matt Billheimer, your Director of Career Development and Technology, and this is day 18 of the 66-day challenge. So today we're going to stay in the Opportunities tab like we were yesterday, and I know yesterday the one transaction that I had created, there was a little bit of a lag, but it is there now and today. But what I want to do is to show you how you can pull a listing that you've maybe added onto the GSMLS that's hit the Keller Williams listing service that you can pull in as a listing. So one of the things that you can do, so if we create another opportunity, create another opportunity, create another test one, it's going to be a listing. You can put your name in if you want or someone else. And then I'll label it Billheimer listing test 1, 2, 3. And then down at the bottom where it says opportunity, the opportunity phase, you can then click on active, and you can then click on any of these stages, staging, showing, negotiations, but you'll select create opportunity. And what you'll see is, and what a lot of you saw yesterday is you'll see this type of sheet where it has general information and a seller worksheet. So this is what's going to happen once we start getting offers in on the listing or in on the property down the road, and we will get to that phase shortly. But as you can see, this is a lot of similar information that ultimately the green sheet collects. And this is where, I know some of you have heard that green sheets are eventually going away, and this feature within the Opportunities tab is a big way in how that's going to take place. But now let's say you've created this active, seller, and they've decided to sign the paperwork and, go with you and list with you. One of the things that you can do, as most of you know, once something gets posted on the GSMLS, within about 24 to 48 hours, it will then get over to the Keller Williams listing service, which is the KWLS. So what you can do is you can attach a listing from the KWLS if it's your listing. And so you can select from KWLS. And if it's your listing, you can search only my listings. If it was listed by someone else, you can do all listings. And you can do a search for anything. So right now these are ones in Louisiana and Texas, but if I were to do, let's say 114 Rolling Ridge, and I were to do a search, you can then, as this one comes up, you can then select the listing that populates over from the KWLS. So this will be a lot easier if it's one of your listings already, of course, because then it will show up in just the only my listings, and you can then attach that listing to your account. But I just wanted to show that to you guys because I do think it's important to know that everything that you have within Command and at Keller Williams is ultimately going to sync together and will be easily compatible from one place to another. So for today's challenge, if you can just take a screenshot that you've come to this page and that you've looked at the select from KWLS and that you know that it exists, I feel like that's really important. So please just come in here. Again, I know this is kind of a repeat from yesterday's session of creating an opportunity, but I wanted to show you specifically in this one active listing section, it is compatible with the KWLS. So please just take a screenshot that you're at this page with the select from KWLS for the Bold Scholarship to be still in the running for that. So please do that today. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.